Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again to bring you the latest construction progress from the Spotify Camp Nou. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of our daily updates. It really helps with visibility. Now, let's jump straight into today's tour. We begin today in the South Goal sector, one of the most active parts of the entire stadium this week. Here, the substructure for the ceramic Lamas keeps expanding rapidly. Newly installed metallic frames now cover large sections of the facade, creating the foundation for the curved ceramic louvers that will define this corner. From every angle, you can already start to see the future wave-like profile of the South Goal taking shape. Workers continue welding, adjusting, and aligning the mounting points, getting the entire facade ready for the upcoming installation of the Lamas. Just beside this area, ground-level preparation continues. Crews are leveling new corridors, reinforcing platforms and forming the bases for future pedestrian zones. This entire corner is progressing at high speed, and soon, the ceramic facade will connect smoothly with the Tribune sector. From here, we move to the Lateral Sector, where the evolution remains steady and impressive. One of the main highlights here is the progress around the new parking ramp, which is now fully shaped. Workers are completing the final layers, leveling, compacting, and preparing the surface for future finishes. The geometry of the ramp is now perfectly defined, but the biggest transformation remains the installation of the ceramic Lamas along the lateral facade. Large portions of the exterior structure are already covered, and each new piece enhances the stadium's modern identity. The metallic grid supporting these Lamas now extends across several levels, marking the full outline of the future façade. Soon we'll be able to see interior views, showing how each louver is anchored from within. In the central part of the lateral side, the ground is almost fully leveled. Only the final paving layer remains, something planned for later phases. Even without those last touches, the external silhouette of the stadium is becoming easier to imagine day by day. Before we head toward the next sector, don't forget to tap the like button. It helps push the video to more Barça fans, and make sure you're subscribed for daily progress reports. Now we continue to the North Goal sector, where interior and exterior work progress in parallel. On the exterior side, the frame for the curved ceramic Lamas is rising quickly. This structure will give the North Goal its signature wave-like identity, distinct from the other sides of the stadium. The access ramp next to it also continues developing, adding new circulation paths for future visitors. Inside the North Goal, the first VIP ring is nearly closed with new rooms and corridors forming. The second VIP ring rises steadily, mirroring the lower level. Meanwhile, the diamond-shaped structure continues to evolve, gaining height and volume as more concrete layers and steel reinforcements are added. We then move toward the future cafeteria area within the diamond structure. Steel rebar grows upward as new pillars take shape, and the aluminum framing for the glass facade is already in place. Once the glass panels are installed, this area will look almost complete from the outside. Finally, we arrive at the Tribune sector, where a major milestone has been reached. The second section of the escalator system connecting the atrium to the museum level has been installed. With this, one full escalator line is almost done, and the second line will follow soon. Reinforcement work also continues across platforms, internal corridors, and structural connections. And that wraps up today's full-site tour from the Spotify Camp Nou. South Goal, Lateral, North Goal, and Tribune. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new update from MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching.